So finally guys, it's time to eat, and this is our dinner. So guys, we have tempura, of course. This is the Mount Fuji Maki. That's the best seller. That's what you call the nature spring. And of course, if you're in Marble and Grain, you have to have ribeye steak. Then we have eel, guys. Eel, it's une. And then we have gyoza. We have seafood ramen. And of course, our bread. So right now, guys, I'm gonna have a Japanese dinner here at Ume. But we're here at Marble and Grain, by the way. But we're gonna have a Japanese inspired, of course, Japanese dinner, which we have here a ramen, which is the kaisen, I think. And this is the seafood ramen. Basically has, you know, everything. It's like basically shrimps, there's egg, there's Naruto, there's menma, but there's seaweed as well. So but it's really a really delicious seafood ramen here, and we're gonna pair it with their honey gyoza. And of course, we have a Maki. In front of us are the two best-selling Makis here, Maki Creations. The Nature Spring Maki, named after Nature Spring. And we have, and this is the Mount Fuji, which is California rolls with some, topped with some, we'll find out later what's on it. Then, of course, our favorite, the tempura. So yes, and of course later we'll have another video on this eel, so une. So ramen. So Jason, by the way, had miso soup, of course. So for me, it's the ramen. So we're gonna be noisy when we eat ramen, but supposedly we have to eat this while it's hot. So I guess if you're an Instagram or a blogger, you have to take photos quickly.
Ramen para
ibigin.
Hindi. Ramen para maging akin.
So hi, ramen para maging akin daw. Sige, ramen tayo.
May ramen ba sa ano?
Jay, may ramen ba daw dyan?
Which Jay?
Jason. And of course, yung ramen gali, you have to enjoy the broth as well. This one's a soy-based broth na really mild, not too overpowering, not too salty. It's just really pleasant to sip. So this one, the gyoza. You always love the gyoza with the. You love the gyoza with the.
That was my.
I know there's like a coating here. But yes, this is a perfectly cooked gyoza, guys, which has, you know, which has a crispy, crunchy part that, of course, you have to dip it.
Kasi yan sa amin, dami sigurong guest niyo pag yan nasira yan eh, during the yung window na 7.2. Wala.
So they have a lot of flavors of ramen here. The one that I have is the seafood ramen, but they also have the traditional shoyu and others. Plus, it's not just ramen. If you love noodles, they also have udon noodles, and they have also the dry ones. You know, the stir fry noodles here. Not here in Marble and Grain, but in Ume.
But they're not allowed to
May kakilala kasi ako. Site,
And of course,
sister yata ng site admin namin from the US.
some tempura.
Nag-stay. Pa-quarantine, hindi na-enjoy yung vacation kasi dito lang.
Hindi siya makalabas.
Hindi makalabas.
Bawal lumabas eh.
Oo, makalabas. We're not required to have swab.
Kami. We are.
Yeah.
We are regularly under body.
Oo. Kami wala, pero if you want, you can twice now. Sakit mo ng nasal dito.
Sa amin kasi required kami. So, under body, DTI. Like DOT.
Our next featured dish here at Ume is their unajo.
Looks out to eat.
This is unajo. It's unajo. This is basically
Afternoon, wala.
eel with eel sauce. Eel with eel sauce. This is good for one.
This is content.
A lot of people love this. Japanese love eel.
Why?
It's a good aphrodisiac.
Nah, I don't think so.
Yeah, he doesn't use it anymore. Wala daw siyang need. Kaon kag eel ha? I just wanna make sure because di man ka ganag seafood.
No,
Okay. So eel, it's not really casino bakasi, pero yes, basically like depende sila gigamit. This is casino sa bakasi, casino sa ubod. And the Japanese love it.
Relative lang.
I don't know what type of eel. Basta hindi ubod ni, but you don't know kasi like gwapo na magnaong. Yeah. Ang sauce niya, it's like sweet. More nun siya sweet savory. It's like
What? Sweet savior? What?
savory. Pura nun siya banana Q ba? Yeah, the texture's like banana Q. But so it's quite sweet and savory, which is really yeah. Quite yummy. It comes with miso soup. So they have rice bowls also here, like this unajo. They have like katsudon, gyudon. You have chicken, pork, or even beef on the rice bowls. It's just a complete meal around. Let's check the menu. The rice bowls would be. The price will range around from 360 to 1,100. 1,100 is a salmon ikuraju, which is sliced salmon and salmon eggs. Oh, wow. And the most affordable is 360, which is the uyakuhu, which is steamed rice topped with chicken meat, onions, and egg cooked in sweet special sauce. Yeah, so the selection is quite vast because they have chicken, they even have tamadon, which has steamed rice topped with shrimp, tempura, vegetables, and eggs. Then tenju katsu, which is basically breaded pork, and gyudon if you love beef. And yes, you can have tamadon. It's steamed rice topped with eel as well. This one's mine is the unajo, which is more traditional looking. And guys, this is what you call the Mount Fuji Maki. And Mount Fuji Maki is made of California rolls, so California Maki, topped with scallops. Those are scallops, guys. I think with cheese, it's like cheesy scallop, and on top of an amazing bed of California Maki. So there, for better appreciation. It's time to eat this amazing Maki creation. This is one of their best sellers as well. It's the Mount Fuji roll, so Mount Fuji Maki, and yes, we're gonna enjoy it. So I mean, do you like Maki, guys? I mean, I also love Maki, by the way, but it's been a while since I really have, you know, Japanese food of this type, because due to the lockdown, due to the pandemic, due to the, you know, it's been a while since we were able to go out and enjoy some Japanese food. So I'm having my fill here at Ume, which is here at Bai Hotel. There's one thing I like about eating at a hotel is, for me, it's one of the safest. If you want to eat out right now, you better go to a hotel, because it has one of the safest safety protocols. I mean, they have the strictest safety protocols, and they have the technology to back it up. Upon entering Bai Hotel, I was, you know, I was being, you know, you have automatic temperature checks. We have, we even have a sanitation there and an alcohol bath. So it's like you, then foot baths, of course, and even if you have bags or something like that, they have a UV X-ray machine. So it's like you're fully sanitized, and there's a lot of you know, alcohol is available. It's hands-free. So yes, if you wanna go out and eat, I suggest, yeah, you check it out. You check out hotel restaurants, and one of, if you're living in Mandawi, one of the best is gonna be here at Bai Hotel at the Marble and Grain Restaurant. And now this is like their main F&B outlet, where you can order the specialties at Ume, like this like this, what you call it, like this Mount Fuji Maki. So let's eat. So this is the Mount Fuji Maki, and we have a, you know, scallop. We have scallops.
October, September, October, November, ang dami ng events na halos every day. Yun yung freedom ko.
Yeah, the California Maki.
You can go out, network. Ano ko, sir?
That's nice.
And
Is it good?
yeah, if you want to put wasabi, you can put wasabi as well.
Try.
I will. I will.
Well,
What's that, Kaloy?
jump. It's kuan, what they call the Mount Fuji. It's California rolls topped with scallops.
Yan naman.
I'll have your leftovers. You cannot consume all of that.
Yeah.
Then you have this, then this is next for me, right?
Another specialty would be this. That's what you call nature spring roll.
Not the...
So it's really named after nature spring. Yeah, 'cause, you know, this is probably the favorite of the owner, so that's why it got its name. So it's like maki topped with shrimps and cheese. So amazing. So it's like a bed of a California maki topped with some shrimp. So it's like, you know, it's a very, very elaborate and delicious combination.
Saka ng gyoza. Pero syempre, best eat when
This is the nature spring roll, and it has, actually it's shrimp tempura rolls topped with crab sticks and cheese. Guys, we're gonna try out their best-selling nature spring maki. So this is basically like, tanaw na to be, kalisod man ta. Whoa. This is like tempura maki. So this is tempura. Grabe. Amazing bite. So it's crunchy, crispy. I like the sweet savory sauce once again. Nothing too overpowering. Sometimes no need na mag soy sauce because na ano may sauce. But if you want some spice in your life, you're gonna have some wasabi. And yes, if you like tempura also, nasa tempura dre. And we're just gonna have this.
Tempura nga mas lamig pa niya.
This is the kamote tempura or carrot.
What's this?
Ayan, that's eggplant.
Eggplant? Can I have this?
Tuwa lang. Suggestion Murata, by the way. So ako yung katandem karon, but for now ako yung katandem, but puhon I don't know sa 2021 kinsa ni katandem niya. Maybe sa 2021 mo balik na siya siyang karaang katandem. Siya. Diba? Yeah, but yes, kung ganahan kag Japanese food trip, by the way, yeah, you can have an amazing Japanese food trip here at Marble and Grain, but yeah, it's in Ume, in Bai Hotel. Guys, welcome din Homan. So to cap our meal, we have for dessert the green tea ice cream. So just a complete Japanese food experience. So to close everything out, it's gonna be this matcha ice cream. So this is perfect for this meal. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe kung wala pa mo ka-subscribe. I really enjoyed this meal here at Marble and Grain and Ume. And thank you so much Bai Hotel Cebu. Yeah, hi Alfred, hi May, and hi to all the people of Bai. So see you sa next videos guys, and bisita na mo sa Bai Hotel kung ganahan mo awesome meals and really karag yung grabe ka safe lang protocols. So bye guys.